Alrighty, everybody. Today we are going to do the assembly for the N37. We have right here, of course, we have our battery. We'll get that out. We have our case. We'll get that out with all the screws and tape and everything. Alrighty. First, we'll go ahead and open all this up and go ahead and put our buttons inside, which all come in this little bag with the case. Now, before you start all this, make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, one of these. That way you're able to screw in all your screws and everything. So here's your analog. It goes in the big hole. You got your middle size button. It will go right here in this hole. And then your smaller button will go in this little hole right here. And once you get those all in there, then you will go ahead and get out your device, the board. Go ahead and peel your protector off. And when you put this in here, you're going to have to put it in at a little bit of an angle. That way these buttons and your on and off switch and everything fits down in those grooves over there. So start off with it like this, and then with no issues at all, it goes right in there. And see, okay, everything's all good. Then you take these smaller screws, which I'll let you see what they look like, the smaller ones, and you secure your board down. Nice. Make sure they're all good and secure. Nice. Okay. Then let's go ahead and take care of the battery. I personally think it'd be better to set it in so you can see, you know, actually, no, set it down this way. That way it'll fit in there real good and reach around. So let's go ahead and put the double-sided tape on there. should get and snug in there. Now we'll put that over to the side. Then we will work on your GPS antenna and the pigtail. Comes with two different size ones. I don't think it really matters which one you use, really. No, see, that would work just fine. So whichever one you feel more comfortable with, that's the one you'll use. But take your GPS module and you slide it down through that. And that'll fit in there just beautifully. Make sure that will fit in there just beautifully. And you go ahead and connect it. Now be careful doing this, because you don't want to bend it or break it or anything like that. Then you'll have to go through a whole nother bit of trouble trying to solder one on, which you don't want to do that. Beautiful. That'll go just like that, which beautiful. Now remember the order that these come off, because that's the order that it actually goes back on. Go ahead and take these off. Okay, do not put your battery in first. Do not put your battery in first. That just made it a little bit hard. Get that in there all nice and snug. Beautifully. And you put your small one on first. Then this one. I don't like how there's not much thread, so let's not use that bottom one, or that middle one there. It leaves absolutely no thread. There we go. And then there we go. Now we'll hook this up to our LoRa module. Which again, guys, be careful. You don't want to accidentally break it and then have to bust out the soldering and then some Ipex. And then plug in your battery. Which, just in case, here's a quick just in caser. If you don't remember if this is on or off, go ahead and put your antenna on first, because you don't want to accidentally mess anything up powering it on. Make sure I got it going right. Don't want to bend nothing. on right. Make sure everything's fit in there real snug. Okay, then now you take these and you put them all in here to start snugging it down. Oops. Got them all in. And there will be extras. MESHNOLOGY is real good about sending extras just in case you drop one, or you know, anything can happen with these little tiny things. Go ahead and put the extras up. And then you click her on. And there it is. Then you set it up. More US. And now, depending on if you already have some mesh testing devices, you can get on here through the app and put them on the channel as all the rest of yours. And you can even send little personal, see, you can use your analog and you can scroll over. And if you're already on, you can go into messaging. No, I can't do it. Oh, okay, here we go. And then there's presets. You don't even need your phone, you don't need your computer, you don't need the app. You can go ahead and send presets to people. And it's actually really, really handy. I've heard a lot of very, very good things about this device. So pretty soon I'll be doing another video, and that would be showing you how to set it up on your computer or your phone, which I'm going to be using my laptop to do it. That way you guys can see, you know, the certain settings, how to add them to your channels that you already have. So there you go. There'll be another video coming soon. Thank you guys.